Welcome to Afropean Kitchen. I don't know how to cook, but I know I like to eat. Just look at my stomach. That's not from beer. I don't drink beer. It's from the love of food. In my tribe, men are not supposed to be in the kitchen until I came to Europe, that I discovered that I was really useless in cooking because I could not do anything for myself. I could hardly cook water. And now I'm above 50 and I'm like, you know what? All those things that I've missed before, I want to try them now. I don't always do my thing in the way everybody does their things. When I cook, sometimes in the weekend I try to mix certain things. I have friends who are like, you don't do that. You don't cook fish with meat, with some other stuff. No, but I do that. My philosophy is, somebody created those things that have become like the norm now. So why don't we experiment a bit, get out of the box, make things. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So what I'm going to be doing is to make normal thing the way people do it normally, but in the course of this journey, I'm going to be creating new things. And because I'm an African, I'm going to be dedicating a lot of these things to some African gods, African deities, and probably African heroes who have made a lasting impression on the history of Africa. So today is the start of the journey. I have gone to my garden and I have bought some seeds and I have sowed them. I want to make as natural things as possible. I don't mind the other things, but I like organic things. So today I have planted some pepper and I've planted some tomatoes. And you know, if you know African food, you know tomatoes and pepper are really products that are unmissable. From what I read, it's going to take like 2-3 months for them to really grow to the point that I can use them. So in the meantime, I'm going to be using products I buy in the supermarket. It's called the Afropean Kitchen. Afropean meaning African and European kitchen, but it's going to be mainly African with a touch of Europe. Also, and not unimportant, I'm going to be supporting 2 causes that are really, for me, very important. One of them is called Beyond Innocence Foundation. Beyond Innocence Foundation is a foundation that is set up by a friend of mine. She doesn't know that I'm doing this, but she will find out soon enough. She has set up a house for children who have been subject to child and sexual abuse in Taita, Kenya. My hope is that in the course of this journey that we're embarking on, we can raise some funds and some awareness for Beyond Innocence Foundation. The second one is something that is very personal, and it is called Tada! The Afropean Foundation. It's called Stichting Afropeans. The Stichting is a Dutch name. It is registered in the Netherlands to enhance the image of Africans living in Europe, to let people know what positive things we are doing in the society, that we are the bridge between 2 continents, Africa and Europe. That is what Stichting Afropean is all about, and we will be celebrating each other. When this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, it is a commitment I'm making to you. I will go to my neighborhood house and start at least once in a week, whenever I cook, to feed some people who are hungry and people who are probably not rich enough to make food for themselves. So I'm asking you to help this channel to grow so that we can do a lot of good things. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be personally donating some money to both NGOs that I mentioned earlier. Let's create food, let's think out of the box, and let's eat yummy food. Come with me on this journey. Let's have fun while we are doing it.